Are you looking forward to make the best and very delicious gizzard vegetable stew? Then this recipe is for you. It's a great honor having you once again in my kitchen. Welcome or welcome back. Today's recipe, trust me, you are going to enjoy it. We share easy recipes here, so I will be very glad if you subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. My name is Lena. So I have my gizzard here. I will just clean it very well, okay? When you buy the gizzard, sometimes you may see that yellowish skin attached to the gizzard. You just go ahead and then remove them. I think with this, I don't have some there, okay? I'll go ahead and then cut them into smaller chunks, and then we are good to go, or smaller pieces, anyhow you will see it. But I guess you understand what that means. So when I am done with it, we will proceed. My returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always spending some time with me. Always, I am so grateful. That is the yellowish thing I was saying earlier. Now I discarded that. I washed it behind camera very well for about 3-4 times, and now that is the last time I'm washing it. I'll gather everything in my cooking pot, add my blended pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, my seasoning. So use any seasoning of your choice. I added some chopped pepper as well to it, and I have given it a stir to ensure that the salt is enough, and then we are going to cook this. Trust me, it takes very long time for your gizzard to cook, okay? Don't cook it for 10 minutes or 5 minutes. It takes a very long time. Cook it very well before you use it for your recipe. The gizzard was well cooked, and after that I strained the stock from it, and now I'm frying it. Yeah, you can see how messy the place is. Forget about that. Yeah, but we are just going to go ahead to fry it, okay? Yeah, now I'm not going to fry this to become very dry. I'm frying it just for about 2 minutes and then remove everything from the oil. Now this is how the gizzard is looking, and it looks absolutely good. I'll remove it from the oil, and then we can proceed with the stew. If you're a beginner, it does not mean that you can't fry your gizzard to become a bit drier than this, okay? But with this recipe, or this is how my husband wants it, okay? Yes, he does not want his meat to become very dry when frying it, so just do it the way you want. Now after that, I added my pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, and natural herbs and spice blend to that. I'll give it a stir. The bottom part that you are seeing is not bitter, okay? That is if you remember, it was the same cooking pot that I fried the gizzard in. So I'll give that a stir and then wait for some few minutes. Now I'll go ahead and then add the stock we got from the gizzard, okay? Give it a stir, wait for a while, and then I will share with you the next thing. Have you subscribed? Have you liked the video? If you've watched till this point, I guess you like what you are watching, so please do not forget to like it, share to others, leave me your comments in the comment section, and I will be very happy, okay? And then now this is how it is looking, and it looks so delicious. I guess maybe you are confused. You will be like, what are we doing? Yes, don't worry, we will get there. I will proceed by adding my all-purpose tomato stew, or our jollof stew, to this, the one we prepared not long ago, okay? I have a lot of videos that I shared with you. Kindly go through my videos if you haven't watched that yet, or if you are new here, okay? Thank you so much. Give that a stir, and trust me, at this point the flavor, oh my goodness, was absolutely heavenly, and it was so delicious as well. Give it a stir. Make sure everything becomes uniform before we add any other ingredients. We are on all social media platforms, and the name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please follow us for more videos. For short videos, we are on TikTok, Instagram, and then our YouTube shorts. After some few minutes, the stew looks good, and trust me, it is almost ready. We are making this with less oil, okay? We don't want a lot of oil. Now I've added my gizzard, and I'll give it a stir. There is no any seasoning that contains salt in this recipe, because we added the stock. So please ensure you taste the salt content before, if you want to add anything else, you do so. Okay, now the stew looks very good. I'll go ahead and then add my vegetables. You can use any vegetables of your choice. That is my carrots, green beans, and then my onions. Give it a stir, and then you are good to go. Usually when I'm preparing this for my husband, he likes the vegetables to become very, very soft, and the stew to become very brown as well. I mean, very well cooked. Okay, so do you want your vegetables to be crunchy, my dear? If you add it to it within a minute or two, it should be ready. Okay, don't wait for a very long time, else it will become very soft. Now I've added my scallions or green onions, and that shows that our stew is ready. Thank you for spending some time with me, and I'll see you in the next video.